Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, August 29th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES at NQ. So, boy, oh boy, interesting overnight. NQ has over a $9 range, as you can see. Look at this pre-market overnight. Traded all the way down to 19,140. And now we're trading back 320 points higher. The overnight high so far got into the upper distribution yesterday, but now we're back into the lower. ES got into the single prints. Righty has traded inside yesterday's range. Again, another wide POC. They've had a lot of wide POCs in the overnight recently. So, again, they had their 10 wide yesterday. That's all they had. So, again, what's changed so far? The answer is nothing. Now, remember, ES took out the balance low and the weekly low in the pre-market overnight. Means nothing. Means absolutely nothing. Okay? However, what does mean something is our overnight low for the month of August is in the overnight with 2 days to go. And that goes for NQ also. So I would expect some big chop, and the battle, at least initially, looks like it's going to be which distribution we're going to try to trade in, right? Remember, even if we take out yesterday's high, still just balance for ES. They stretched the balance high on Monday. They got close to the balance low yesterday. So now the question is, which way are they going to try again? Acceptance into the upper distribution, maybe they start trying to test the upper end of the balance again. Staying in the lower distribution, well, then obviously that could lead to taking out yesterday's low and finally putting the weekly back to balance and the daily down. So it remains to be seen. NQ, on the other hand, is down on the daily. So they need acceptance into the upper distribution to just try to go and take out yesterday's high, which even after this incredible push back up in the overnight, is still 200 points higher. So, I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of chop this morning inside of yesterday's range. But these are your key factors right now. Your upper distribution for both of these, right? So talk about a great risk-reward short for both of them if they're there in the next 70 minutes, right? You get the overnight high, odds are you're going to take back the single print and at least try to get into the upper distribution. Same with NQ. All right? So that's a great risk-reward short if it's up there. As far as a risk-reward, get a front run in the overnight low, I can tell you this. If we go anywhere near the overnight low, I would not be looking to front run it. I'd be looking to take a short to go get it after this rebound. So those are early plays. And then on the chart, so again, nothing's changed yet. There's your daily, still balanced for ES. The weekly is still up for ES. NQ is in balance. Let me show you NQ, because the question now is, where is your balance, right? So I never came out of balance, right? After being down, this week put us into balance. And last week continued balance because they never took out the 23rd high. So my balance low is still all the way down here. Now, if people called the weekly up after last week, then coming back into balance, they might use just a 2-week balance or a 3-week balance. Again, that's all subjective to how people look at it. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.